Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you through the process of activating your Bluehost affiliate dashboard so you can start referring and earning today. Let's dive right in with a step-by-step guide. Step 1. Sign up for Bluehost affiliate program. First, head over to the Bluehost affiliate program page. If you don't have an account yet, click on the Join Now button. Fill in the required details, including your name, email address, and any other necessary information. Make sure to read the terms and conditions before completing your registration. Step 2. Confirm your email. Once you've completed the sign-up process, check your email for a confirmation message from Bluehost. Click on the link provided in the email to confirm your account. This step is crucial as it activates your affiliate account. Step 3. Log into your affiliate dashboard. After confirming your email, go back to the Bluehost affiliate page and click on the Login button. Enter your credentials to access your affiliate dashboard. This is where you can track your earnings, referral links, and marketing materials. Step 4. Get your unique affiliate links. Inside the dashboard, look for the Links or Promotions section. Here, you will find your unique affiliate links. These links will allow you to refer new customers to Bluehost and track your earnings. Copy your affiliate link, as you will use it in your promotions. Step 5. Choose marketing materials. To effectively promote Bluehost, explore the marketing materials available in your dashboard. You can find banners, ad creatives, and email templates that you can use on your website or social media channels. Customize these materials to fit your audience for better results. Step 6. Start promoting. Now that you have your unique affiliate links and marketing materials, it's time to promote. Share your links on your website, blog, social media platforms, or through email newsletters. The more you promote, the more chances you have to earn commissions. Step 7. Monitor your performance. Regularly log into your affiliate dashboard to track your performance. You can view clicks, conversions, and commissions earned. This data can help you refine your marketing strategies and maximize your earnings. By following these steps, you'll have activated your Bluehost affiliate dashboard and be ready to start referring and earning. Remember, consistency is key in affiliate marketing, so keep putting effort into your promotions. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Thank you for watching.